I'd like to thank Homerella for going through and sending me this bath mat in exchange for an honest review. Let's go through and show you the unboxing just to get started. Here you can go through and see it open. Currently, you'll see the hooks for drying pop out right away. There's 2 of them, but we could hang it up and dry it if needed. You're looking at non-slip. It's 35 by 16. Of course, BPA free, all that fun stuff there. And this is going to work great for your bathtub and make sure it stays in place because it's got these massive suction cups on the bottom, which will stick to it. And simply enough, it'll stay in place. So you'll just go through and put it in your shower, and you could go through and see it in my shower just to get an idea. And you just push it to get it stuck down and you'll be good. So I'll probably move this to the downstairs bathroom because it's a little big. So that would be better in a long ways bathtub instead of a square like mine. So I'll probably move it down, but it worked great and it stuck well and it's doing its job. So definitely do recommend it. It's made of solid material and it's definitely not cheap. It's got some thickness to it, which I definitely appreciate. Hope this is helpful.